If you have brown skin and your makeup doesn't look right, it's not your products, it's possibly one of these mistakes or all of these mistakes you are doing. I used to do a lot of these mistakes myself, but once I fixed them, honestly, the difference is crazy. Let's dive into them one by one. Mistake number 1, skipping skin prep. I used to do this all the time and my makeup would just sit on my face. So, prepping your skin with even something simple like a moisturizer or a hydrating base makes your skin look way more smooth and fresh for the next step. Another one is using the wrong foundation shade. This one is a big mistake. Using the wrong foundation shade, especially on brown skin, can either look too gray or too orange. You always want something that matches your undertone because that's what makes your skin look natural, not dull. If your foundation looks ashy, it's not the formula, it's the undertone. You need to match both your shade and your undertone, not just one. Another mistake I see a lot is using wrong contour tone and blending it wrongly. Using cool tone contour on a warm brown skin and blending it downwards can instantly make you look muddy and old. Switching to a warm golden brown tone and blending it just above your cheekbone can make you look more natural and lifted instantly. Blush is where things can go wrong really fast. Using very bright or too much blush on brown skin can overpower your whole face. Keeping it minimal, more of a bronzy tone and slightly higher gives a soft and lifted look. Another small mistake that can ruin your makeup look is going straight in with the eyeshadow without prepping your lids. That's why it looks patchy sometimes. Just a little concealer and powder makes everything blend so smoother, and it can take your eye look to the next level. Another big mistake is using lipstick directly on your two-tone lips. Generally, brown skin have a two-tone lips, and if you apply lipstick directly, then it will look patchy and messy. Start with a lip tint instead and remove the excess. Line your lips with a lip liner, finish it off with a lip gloss. This way you will get the juicy lips that will last for the whole day. Final tip. Don't go crazy with the highlighter. We are not trying to look like a disco ball. Just keep it subtle. A little on the high points, under the brow bone, a touch on the nose, and on your inner corner eyelids. That's it. So here is the final look. And you see, it's not about doing more makeup, it's about doing it right. These small changes can literally make your face look more balanced and put together. Let me know in the comments below which makeup mistakes were you doing before. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.